How to install light up Bronco letters. So first things first, you're going to pull all these clips that set across the top of the grill. Once you remove those, you can get down to the 10mm bolts that hold the grill in. There's 4 of them that go across the top. And once you pull those, it's just clips holding the grill in. So just give it a nice tug, set it on a bench, and you're ready to start prepping to put in the light up letters. All you're going to do is look at the back of the grill here and see that these are welded in with a plastic weld, which is easily removed with a drill. Now you're just going to have to repeat that process on the rest of them until they're all out. Throw them on the toolbox and you can start unboxing your letters. I got these from Oracle and they work really well. They have amber and white. I like them quite a bit. So I stuck them to the grill. They have a 3M tape on the back of them that sticks it on, and all these wires now need to be ran. Taking the wires behind takes a little bit of skill just to get them tucked in like this, but once you get it done right, you're not going to be able to see them from the front whatsoever. All that's left to do now is to find a power source. I like to go to the back of the headlight to the parking light. And once you find that, you can finish wiring it up and you're done. You officially have light up Bronco letters.